What are you guys talking about? Sounds violent. Ruby's trying to sleep. She's pretending like she's sleeping. She's like, we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna fight. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm sleeping. Oh, wow. Pretty stretch. You wanna shake your tail? Shake your tail, feathers, Einstein. What's wrong, little Miss Furby? You're getting so grumpy over there. I can just see you huffing and puffing. Oh, she's so angry. Why are you so angry? Hmm? Tell the world why you're angry. Is Einstein in your way? Yeah. You want Einstein to move from your bubble? I know, it's so sad when people get in your bubble. But it'll be okay. Oh man, she just looks so mad. Cheer up, Furby girl. Cheer up. Oh wow, you are really molten, aren't you? Oh my god, baby. Hey, relax. Jeez. Now I know why you don't feel good. You're really molten, aren't you? Your whole neck is spiky. You feel better now? You got all of your anger out on mommy? Okay, I'll just yawn and act so chill and nonchalant about life. You need dusted off. You're dusty.